Roy's back on the channel. I'm back here. Where's the diff? Yeah. Is it getting welded? Yeah. Roy's doing an oil change on this. So this is the lift in the shop. He says it's everyone. He's doing an oil change on this. Welding the rear diff. Hey, the 330s, they have a 6-bolt flange, right? The 330s have a 6-bolt. This is a little crusty. I've been doing the wide angle stuff, dude. Remember we always talked about getting a GoPro. Oh, you know what video we watched the other day?
Bigger than a 32, bud.
Bigger than a 32?
Yeah.
I forget what it is, but I have it. Oh, it's a 30. It could be a 36 then.
Yeah.
Think so. I remember I bought that one socket. I forget. You know. I want to make a reaction video, modern day Roy. Would you want to do it?
What? That I don't give a anything? Oh boy, she's welding.
I'm only doing one side here.
Like, so it comes out like you're gonna give up and make man.
You know,
You should see me do this at work.
Tommy said in a video, he's like, he doesn't own any adjustables, he just owns channel locks. Flip it. Flip it, dude. Where's the waste oil?
Everywhere.
Like waste oil drums? Are these them?
No, these are our alignment drums.
Alignment drums?
Yeah, Gerald does his alignments on it.
What do you mean?
He puts his car on the lift.
Uh-huh.
Sits it down on here. Lifts it up a little bit so you can adjust the tire rods. And puts it back down.
Yeah.
Check it. The tilt plates.
Okay. You didn't put it on?
Oh, old one's still on there.
What?
This one's still on there.
Are you serious? You're not gonna replace?
No, they should.
Oh.
Oh boy. You've been famous.
25 Newton meters, dude. I swear this is not a vacuum leak in like any. Oh, this is brand new. It feels new. It's clean. Did you wash it?
What?
The bay?
You wash your engine bay?
Every now and then. Not like often.
Cause like, what'd you use? So how'd you tune your car?
It's not tuned.
I'm talking to Roy. Man business.
Excuse me. That is not gendered at all.
Valsky tuned it.
Who is it?
It's tuned to run MS42. No, MS41.
Oh.
Wait, what the fuck? Oh yeah, MS42 with a 3-liter in it. But it runs worse with the tune in it, so I gotta figure that out. Which is kind of...
Why don't you upgrade to MS43?
It's a lot of work.
Is it? I thought it was like a harness and like some...
The harness is a lot of work there, but...
Alright.
Alright, this looks a lot better. Oh, you're exposing me.
Hey, no.
sounds
What we
like 20K,
fixing?
yeah.
What we fixing, bro?
Nothing, no.
Put the
Whoa,
SR in this there?
That's in the winter.
In the winter?
I want to build it just to make 300 anyways.
Yeah, but it sounds a lot cooler.
I think KAT sounds better.
Oh, no.
I don't know. Matt's car did sound pretty bad.
Matt's car is the only KAT that sounds good.
He's like,
That's what I'm
what?
saying, it sounds pretty good, yeah. Can you put subtitles in that part of the video?
Yeah, that's like me speaking German.
Oh man. So this part's pretty fun.
So like, how did this? Oh,
video. What are you doing?
So why did he
What?
pay an SR if he wants to go KAT?
No, I don't. I'm just saying it sounds pretty cool too. I'm not gonna go KAT. I told Dom.
You have the manifolds and everything, dude. Let's do it.
I literally told
You got a
Dom
fucking turbo?
he could have the turbo.
How much you want for that
manifold.
turbo?
Well, I said turbo.
What is it, a SR turbo? T25?
I'll give you $5.
T25.
That's an eBay 05.
I have an eBay.
That's all my money. I told Dom he could have the tile and all the shit for like $100, but
I'm supposed to pick up my motor for that.
for that tile I know it's worth more because it's actually.
Morgan.
From where?
I bought another Miata engine so I can build it.
You can nail Jordan.
I don't know.
put the fender back on, see how it's lining up. It still has to come up more, I feel like it's dipping down this side.
You should have left that fender off so you could like cross-reference.
With that one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, it just came off.
Probably some Bondo over it, because Sally tried to fix it. Before I painted this engine bay, it was like Bondo already. I was so pissed, because before I bought this car, the battery was there, blocking everything. And I should have known, because oversized battery. People in the comments will be like, why am I like that? It won't fit the other way.
They don't sell like
The radiator, when I was looking at first, they did for cheap. Now it's a couple $100. Kind of retarded. Like I literally could have gone for like $100, like brand new, but slept on that. But they sell it. I think it goes up to here. So this is still. But my goal
no,
in the
they
future-
should sell
I don't know
like
if I
this
wanna make-
plate, and it goes all the way across because the pinch it welds
This
right
is
here.
for here. Look. Oh, raised plate.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, you can buy this whole front part.
Yeah. I don't know.
He goes, yeah.
I want to like tub it and then do that in the future, probably before that SR goes in. But it's like the money that's going to cost. Might as well get another clean shell.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm like.
I mean, that might cost like $200. But
Well-
what are you even doing this for? It's a drift car.
Well, my hood goes over my fender, and I want it to be painted. Well, look, if you look, so this fender. Oh wait.
I'm gonna do a
Just
360.
from the hood closing on the other hood, it rubs all
Oh,
over
yeah.
the metal. So.
So yeah, just hit it that way. Just pull it. You don't have like ratchet straps?
I do. Well, I did. I don't know if it's loud. I'm not sure.
I don't think it's doing anything.
It is. If you want, you literally see it raising slowly. I mean, that's why these are all breaking off too.
Can I hit it?
No.
Why?
It's the whole flake's about to come off, and I think it's good now. We'll see if this helped a little. The headlights definitely lifted up because I had a beat in this. 'Cause there's like a lot of beat.
Dude, this thing's clean, dude. Oh, what?
This, all the body's just raised spots.
Yeah, that's fine. And then this, you could just put a zip tie
You
through
want
this
to
one.
hold? Yeah, you want to hold this over here though.
Oh.
I'm not gonna zip tie. I can actually find something else, but go over and hold from the wheelhouse. I can drop the hood. Stack.
I dropped the hood. Oh yeah, dude. Bit more.
Yeah, it's up because I see the sign on the line or something. Well, let me just see. Cause,
Wait, well this has to come like this way more.
Well, if it can start. Oh wow.
How far off?
Can I go back one now?
Yeah, you can. You're hitting the door. You're gonna end up hitting the. You're gonna end up like catching it the door.
So
with
this is like the front clips like kind of full, like past the radius support now.
Okay.
So it's gonna keep bringing it forward, I guess.
Yeah. So yeah, because you're gonna start hitting the door right here.
Yeah. This is like perfect right here though.
2 inches.
Nah,
Where are you gonna pull
like
2
an
inches from?
inch. Just keep hitting it.
It has to go that way. Like
Oh, you saying?
hammer it. Yeah, it has to go like.
Well, no, just now it was like the hole was like right here.
Oh.
When I like put it all the way out, it's just the front won't clip in. Those will probably clip in. Maybe we should put 2 bolts in just to make sure that all on.
You could just bolt it into here or something. Like. So it just fits.
There's like a dent right here, so I wonder if this is where it originally got bent out from. But the shut tower was kind of clipped. No, actually, it was fucked like right
Dude,
there.
how much was it?
Like it's after this, not the shut tower. Like there's a dent right here. Maybe I kind of hammer out some too.
Airbag for what? Say hi. You took the airbag out? Oh, you had an M Sport wheel? Where's the wheel?
In my house.
That's sick.
Yeah, did you see Roy's wheels in my thing?
Which wheel is it? Oh, D&D.
Well, this flat here. There's a lump there either way. So it's just like as long as this is high. Can you not record this retardation going on?
This
Bro.
needs to come up more.
Yeah.
Dude, that's up. That's down a lot.
This
Way
one?
more. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's come up way more.
probably put. Oh, it's coming up a lot actually. Do you see how much it came up? It's the angle's not moving, but it's coming up.
I don't know.
What you need it to.
Because this is like flat and this dips down. That's why I'm like, you know.
I was telling Roy.
You can't put this debacle in the video.
Why?
This is straight retarded.
Bro, this is what people watch us for.
No, this is not going to the video.
Yeah, speed it up. Oh, I fixed it. That's what they do. Record struggling for an hour and a half. That's what I'm not gonna tell you though. This is lumped.
Yeah, that's down a lot. Oh, it's closer, dude.
Yeah, because you're telling the phone the right way.
Because I'm holding it.
I think it needs to come up from down there. Jairus, can you describe what you just did?
We just yanked on.
You literally just pulled it up. How is that metal so soft?
Paper mache, 240. Roy's losing brain cells, so he's out. Wow. Oh wait.
Oh, dude.
No, it actually did help.
Yeah, dude. All right. I'm gonna drive it out.
Because watch, you can even tell.
I don't even care.
Look at. If you take that. Wait, where's the one back here? I was going called the dancing straight man.
What?
Like, cause look.
You have the dance
this
dragons,
goes-
and then you can be salsa snakes.
Salsa snakes.
Let's put it back down. Put the light in.
Pull it this way.
Wait, leave it.
Well, we know it has to go that way a little bit.
Hold on, I need
Let's
to just speak and move.
Let's see where it needs to be
Why is you not coming out?
height-wise.
No. Yes.
He was confused by my whiplash.
I was looking at it. I'm like, I was trying to close Jairus' head. I'm like, where is the latch?
Well, it's kind of getting better. I mean, not really. Yeah, it did. It's like from my whole hand before. This one's like tight now. Hold on. Can you stop holding my hand?
Are we still painting this purple?
What?
Wait, what did I miss? I go to the gas station for 10 minutes and we're cutting it off.
Yeah, we can get rid of this. There's a spot weld here, but we don't have a drill, so.
I have a drill.
I got one of the spot welds. You got it on you?
No, I'll go get it. Actually, I don't want to go get it.
Yeah, this will be quicker.
All right. YouTube knows the RX Energy fire. All right, what do we get for free, Jairus?
You're the one that bought it.
All right, so the Pepsi. Jairus likes the Blue Boy, and we get a free.
No!
What? You break the tip?
A tip?
Oh! Wait, let me see it.
What the?
Why don't you grab regular chocolate? Why do you gotta get some coffee?
Coffee. I
Dark
love coffee. Cafe espresso. Cafe espresso.
But
I zip tied this up so it wouldn't fall.
good job, man. You're
Helping.
really useful.
I'm helping.
You wanna hold this for me? Oh, thanks. Pull it away. Oh, I can just pull it.
How much you want me to pull it? Like hard? Bro, you should put the intake through the roof.
Retard Restorations. Will YouTube let me name a channel that? Retard Restorations?
I don't know.
It's like fresh and slow.
Like, yeah, it's like the timing retard. Retarded timing. Why are you hitting it in on the bottom?
Because if I hit it in, this crunches in, it must mean raising more. But if it's pulled all the way out, it's gonna
Why don't you hit it right here? Ow!
Why put your hand?
I was asking you.
Come on, I'm gonna tell you at the body shop. Don't do that. Don't put your hand place where the hand was going. The back one didn't roll.
I was gonna start talking about this guy. Yeah, it does. Yeah.
What's wrong with this cup besides it looks like it now?
That's good now.
It's-
Oh my god.
You-
What by now?
You gonna pull it towards you?
No,
Yeah.
The ratchet strap.
Why do we have to pull this?
Because
It's
the
buckled
front
right
one
here.
bolts in over here. It's bolted in here right now, and that's why it's too close. It has to come like right here.
Make a new hole.
This is all wavy. It's not ever gonna be flat again. We have to add material to this.
There is no flag. It's all. Well,
Yeah, but there's gonna be this.
don't record that. Don't show that I did it. Okay, I'm gonna just go over it.
In here. In here. Why would you do that?
Do what? This?
She did it by accident.
It's gonna leak.
Do what?
No, because she had it on the counter.
Oh.
Do what?
I think.
The, See the?
Dude, it's not gonna leak. It was.
Look at the. You gonna take that wire off?
What wire? Oh. God, it's not gonna.
It's gonna cook. Bearing isn't gonna be cooked.
Well, other than that, is it fine?
Yeah,
Put
yeah,
it back
yeah.
in?
Yeah.
Well, look at this one. You didn't show the camera this. No, this one. This one right here. This one right in here. This one. Bro.
How's it fitting? All right, where are we at with this?
Should I just use soft tappers?
So that's not bolted in?
No, none of the fun as well. Oh, okay.
You know that TikTok or that Instagram video?
Supposed to be to the headline. This side. I measured it, but.
So this is this an all on?
No, stop, don't touch it. It's like I don't know how to make that go up more because the fender's level is just the coarser board, I guess.
Self tap. Is that self tapping?
Dude, just self tap that thing in, dude. Or rivets.
Self tap is right here. I'm about to just bounce.
Rivets, dude. You gonna bounce?
Yeah, just there's no time.
Yeah, this needs to be
Watch, I'll
self-tapped
move it,
up
but
high.
like, what's wrong? This time when I do this, I'll take these out. I was gonna self tap it, but you can't really bring it up more. Like it's level right at the corner. Already.
I mean, if you can't bring it up more, you can't bring it up more.
Exactly.
Yeah, it should be fine now.
I was gonna leave it, come back to us another time. I'm sorry, give it back. That was good. Just gonna self tap it.
Are we done for the day? All right. I'm gonna self tap this fender on next time. I might be here, I might not be. You should make it wet so it doesn't come up. Pause.
No, Josh, when he welded mine, he told me to do this too, and I didn't.
Did you change the fluid though?
No, I haven't even driven the car yet.
Oh my god.
I haven't driven the car yet. Still sitting over there.
Dude, those welds are sick.
He goes, didn't I just weld this though?
No.
Why isn't it? Is it?
I'm scared it's my fault.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Is this new?
No.
What? That's sick. Turn it.
They got floaty over there.
How much is leaking?
Not that bad.
Enough.
My car can have YouTube.
Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, it's a little bit different, but I want to start editing like this. The editing style is just a little different. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and let me know if you guys enjoyed this kind of editing. It's more jump cuts, more cutting things out and shortening down the clips and just putting the important parts. Or if you guys want to see more idling and more conversation, just let me guys know and down in the comments what you guys think. And subscribe if you haven't. We post semi-daily, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, and Stand Some Dragons out. Peace.